Ayan, good morning, good morning. Good morning, ma'am. Oh my God,
Hi, good morning, DJ Lay.
nandiyan na yung ating special celebrity guest. Oh my God.
Hello,
Christina, are you
hello.
there? Nice to meet you, ma'am.
Lovely to meet
I'd like,
you.
before we're gonna start, I'd like to acknowledge our ATC Channel 31 online organization as in Engineer Ronaldo Sanchez, President, Nileto B. Talavera, Business Development Manager, LP Volba, Online General Manager, Michael B. Villanueva, Marketing Department Head, Tala Zaldivar, Advertising Head, Ray Maramat, General Marketing Director, Online TV Shows, Executive Producer na si Brother Hamid Daluba, and ATC 31 Online Radio. Shout out po sa lahat, and production crew, alright? And I'd like to shout out yung ating marketing director na si Ma'am Nika Valencia, and kay Derek Deb Cecilio, and Tito Nel, John Malto, and to my manager, Karina Pranzani from the Netherlands. Yes, what's up? And of course, I'd like to acknowledge our social media partner, Super Talent of the World. Yes, to be held in Dubai. Yes, this month. All right, napaka-exciting naman yan. And all right, gusto ko lang ding i-promote yung ating pong channel. Makikita po natin yung ating BM Television Network, UHF TV and Cable TV. TV31 Mega Manila, TV26 Baguio, TV32 Naga, TV31 Cebu, TV26 Iloilo, TV31 Davao, TV31 Zamboanga, BM Cable TV Networks, Channel 72 Sky Cable NCR, Channel 29 Sky Cable Baguio, Channel 32 Sky Cable Naga, Channel 22 Sky Cable Lipa, Channel 32 Sky Cable Balayan, Channel 29 Sky Cable Balagtas, Channel 72 Disney Cable NCR, Channel Cable Link Paranaque, all right, and Channel Paranaque, and Channel 22 Sky Cable Star Rizal, and Sky Cable, Channel 20 Sky Cable Cebu, and Channel 20 Sky Cable Iloilo, Channel 20 Sky Cable Bacolod, Channel 20 Sky Cable Dumaguete, and Channel 20 Sky Cable Davao. All right. Pagpatuloy mo yung ating BMUHF Free Television Digital DJ Chris. Wala kang microphone, Chris. All right. Go lang, go. Struggle is real. Lakasan mo yung boses, Chris. DJ Chris. Right. Yes, go. Yes, naraos mo din. Yes, congratulations. Alright, welcome natin yung ating special celebrity guest, si Miss Saigon of the Philippines. Yes. Thank you so much, ma'am, sa pa-unlock.
Hello. Thank you for having me. Kumusta kayo? Hi, DJ Chris, DJ and Lay, DJ Lay.
Saan
ba kayo? Sa Philippines ba kayo?
Yes po. We are in Quezon City, and DJ Chris is from Cebu.
Okay, so nasa Cebu pala siya.
Yes, Bisaya,
mahina ata ang wifi doon. Hello, I love Cebu. I have so many friends there. Kumusta?
Ako naman po from Davao City. From Davao City.
Oh, Davao City!
Yes po. Pero nandito na ako sa Manila because of my singing career, yes.
Aha, okay. I love Davao City too.
Yes, ma'am.
Ang ganda-ganda ng province mo, ng city.
Yes po, ma'am. Alam mo ba, ma'am, na nervous kami kasi ikaw yung guest namin.
Sino ba yung kausap ko? Si Lori Lay. Lori Lay ba?
Ako po yun. Ako po yun, ma'am.
Ah, okay. Kaya DJ Lay. Ikaw pala yun. Okay.
Oh my God. Yeah, we are really we're really great to meet you, ma'am. Talagang kaming dalawa ni DJ Chris at talagang na-nervous kami. DJ Chris,
Don't
are you
have to
fine
be.
there?
Sorry, I'm fixing my microphone para maayos
Okay
yung
po.
pwesto niya.
It's okay po. DJ Chris, can you please put your microphone in front of your mouth? Yes. Yes.
Hello po?
Oh,
So,
mahina
long
yung audio mo yata.
how long have
Yes po,
you
ma'am.
been doing this? Itong show na to?
Ako po,
Matagal na
ma'am.
to? Itong
Parang
show nyo?
1 month na po, ma'am.
1 month
More
pa
than a
lang.
month. Yes po, ma'am. Bago
Wow,
pa lang
pero
po kami.
parang,
Kaya
parang
talagang,
ang tagal-tagal na.
wow. Thank you po.
At saka gusto ko yung mga intro ninyo, mga graphics.
Ako pong gumawa nun, ma'am. Ako na po lahat. Yes.
Oh, wow. Okay, all around ka pala.
Yes po.
Ikaw rin
All
ang talent
around po, ma'am.
coordinator.
All around.
Ikaw rin ang kumukontak, no?
Parang, yes po. Ako na po lahat, ma'am. Kaya talagang struggle is real.
That's so funny.
Ano
So,
po yan, ma'am,
ito
yung
ba ay-
magla-live ka po, tapos hindi ka magla-live, ma'am. Katulad nung kanina sa old link. Sabi ko, we're gonna start the live now. And hindi siya nagla-live, kaya gumawa ko ng bago. Oh my God, sabi ko, oh my
Okay.
God, nakakaya sa aming special guest. Sabi ko, push natin yung link. Ganun.
It's
Talagang
okay.
thank God naman.
Things like that happens kasi live.
Yes po. Yes po.
Aha.
Alright. Talagang na-starstruck si DJ Chris sa yung ganda, ma'am.
Ah,
Nakaka-excite yung inyong performance for today.
may papulang lipstick ako.
Oo. Bagay na bagay sa outfit
Oo.
niyo po.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're
So,
welcome,
ano
ma'am.
pa? Magpo-perform na ako?
You can
Can we
also,
talk
yes, you can also shout out or at least promote nyo po yung inyong social media where they can follow you po. And yes, if you have original songs, you can also promote din po. Yes.
Oh, that's great. Ito kasi, tingnan mo yung microphone ko. Ginagawa kong stand ngayon. But, this is the thing. Kagabi kasi, live ako sa Kumu.
Opo.
And it was very successful. Andun lahat ng mga friends ko, nag-support. So, naka
Wow.
100,000 gems ako. And it was
Wow.
my very
Sana all.
first, live stream. So, I would like to thank
Yeah.
all of them. And para po dun sa hindi nakakaalam, ang Kumu ko po ay Ima Castro 1552. So, every Tuesday and Thursday, meron po akong show. So, from 7 p.m. yan onwards. Minsan, maigse, minsan, naka 3 hours ako. Short ng 2
Wow.
minutes ako at 3 hours ako kagabi. And,
Wow.
natutuwa ako kasi nandun lahat sila at hindi umalis. Talagang 3 hours sila with
Wow.
me. So, thank you so much. And also, of course, I have a Facebook page. And also Instagram accounts. It's Ima Castro 1. And then Ima Castro sa sumasabay sa millennials. Although ngayon lang ako siguro ang tagal-tagal na ng pandemic, no? Ngayon ko lang naisipan na mag-online to reconnect with my friends and supporters na rin. So I'm very happy that I did it. So sa Laika naman, what's good there is parang Instagram siya. Pero as you post photos or videos, and also as when you like or rate a post or a photo, ay may gems na pumapasok sa'yo, may bumabalik sa'yo. So parang kumikita ka rin, which is good. So
Wow.
it's the way to go now. So Laika and Kumu, ayan, kumikita kayo.
Yes.
So you can do it na. You can all subscribe.
I had Como before, but I don't use it because I have no fans over there. Yes. So, sabi ko sana all kasi naka 100 bins ka po kagabi, 100K. Pero
Oo
ang Channel
naman.
31 ma'am may Como na. Ang Channel 31 we have a Como show also there po.
Oh, okay. So, ang Channel
Yes po.
31 is radio or online? Online based.
Online radio and online page po ma'am. Best TV, we have now 1.4 million followers. And we are also,
Wow.
some of our shows, it's also live on TV, on BEM TV po. So it's all over
So
in the
may
Philippines.
cable kayo. May
Yes
cable
po, yes
kayo.
po.
Cable channel.
Right po.
Okay.
Yes,
Oh,
cable
wow,
channel.
fantastic. Congratulations.
Yes
And
po.
how long, ilang years na kayo ang Channel 31?
Actually po bago lang po yung Channel 31 and also my show, it's more than a month right now and DJ Chris is my new co-host because my first co-host was having also a new old DJ station, so she cannot allowed into to radio station, so
Of course.
DJ Chris now
Of course.
is in the house, right?
Okay. And also, which is good kasi ano kayo, mga nasa main cities, no? Talagang meron kayong
Yes
ano,
po.
mga DJs sa
Yes po.
like Manila, you're from Manila, and si
Yes
Chris naman, DJ Chris sa Cebu. How nice.
Yes,
How nice.
ma'am.
Because I was
But
a DJ before.
Wow.
No, I mean sa A-Tri Media
Saan po?
Broadcasting Network. A-Tri Media Broadcasting Network.
A-Try.
Kay Action Lady Kay Dacer. Yes.
Wow.
Pero hopefully mag-reopen kami kasi we have to look for a new place kasi.
Ako ma'am, recording artist po ako ma'am, but I had an offer to be a DJ in part of Channel 31. So actually ma'am, this is my first time to do an hosting like online, but I do before as a co-host in the other network. But actually this online show, it's my first time. So thank God that I really
Congratulations.
Pushed to it,
Congratulations. Oo naman. Lahat pwedeng kung kayang gawin, 'di ba? Gagawin.
Yes po. Katulad niyo po, ikaw po ay Miss Saigon in the Philippines. Talagang sabi ko, wow naman yung aming guest. Talagang, oh my God.
Well, actually, marami namang nag-Miss Saigon na galing dito sa Pilipinas, which is, naging si Miss Lea Salonga ang nag-open ng doors para sa ating mga Filipinos. Lalo na dito galing dito sa Pilipinas para makapag-Miss Saigon sa ibang bansa. So, that's what I did. So, nauna ako dito sa Pilipinas and then eventually, nakuha din ako, na-hire ako sa Hong Kong and Singapore and then sa United Kingdom at Portugal.
Wow. Grabe.
Kaya wala ako dito for 14 years.
So, paano pa ma'am? Paano ba nag-start yung singing career niyo po? Paano po siya? Yes.
Ang daddy ko ang nakakita ng potential sa akin when I was, I guess, younger than 5 years old. Kasi when I was 5 years old, sumasali na ako sa mga amateur singing contests.
Wow.
So, siguro before that, tinrain ako ni daddy ko. And I remember, growing up, talagang mahigpit si daddy ko. Every morning, pagkakagising, practice agad bago ako maglaro. Yun. Of course, pag may school ang priority, no? So, pero pag summer vacation, and then pag walang pasok, Sabado, Linggo, ayan, pag gising ko, practice agad ng songs. Hindi pwedeng hindi.
Wow.
Yeah.
Ako po kasi ma'am, walang nag-ano sa akin, ako lang din nag-push ng sarili ko. Wala akong trainer.
Wow, well, that's good. Kasi talagang ibig sabihin, talagang passion mo ang kumanta. Kasi ako, kung hindi dahil sa daddy ko, I won't be a singer. Kasi gusto ko lang maglaro when I was a little girl, no? So, nag-aaway kami parati ng daddy ko, lalo na pag wala ako sa mood kumanta o mag-practice. Or ayokong sumali sa singing contest kasi napaka-stressful, di ba? Lalo na sa bata. I hated it kasi ninenervyos ako parati. Pero eventually na-overcome ko yung nerves ko. nag-enjoy na rin ako na sumali sa mga singing contests, lalo pat na nanalo ako. So, ibig sabihin may pambaon ako sa school.
Yes. So ano po yung
Yes.
ano po yung memorable na singing contest na sinalihan niyo po nung bata pa po kayo?
Oh, well, marami siya, pero ang pinaka-big break ko, siguro, I would say my biggest break was Panasonic Quest for the Best Singing Contest. Noong 1991, I was 15 years old, 16 years old. And then, dahil nanalo ako dito, nationwide, syempre, iba pa nun, no? Hindi kagaya ng mga The Voice na nasa TV ka kaagad, no? Or X Factor or Philippine Idol, ganyan. Doon talaga, bago ka, dapat finalist ka muna bago ka makita sa TV, alam mo yon. Kailangan meron ka nang na-prove. You have proven yourself na magkaroon ka or bigyan ka ng slot para makita ka sa TV. So, nung nanalo na ako or maging finalist ako sa Panasonic Quest for the Best, ayan, nag-guest na ako kay Martin After Dark, kasama ko yung mga finalists and all. And then, after the grand finals, nanalo ako, ayun na, pinadala ko sa Japan kasi part of my prize was to represent the Philippines sa laser karaoke contest sa Osaka, Japan. I was 16 years old then. Wala akong kasama sa Japan noon. And then nanalo din. So pagbalik ko dito, ayun na, nag-record na ako ng first album ko. And then it was released when I was 17 years old, the following year.
Oh, that's long time ago po.
Aray ko, oo.
Ano pong title ng kanta niyo po?
yung single ko my first single was Mamahalin Kita. Pero dun sa same album na yon, yung debut album ko, andun yung duet ko with Lloyd Mali na Nanliligaw, Naliligaw.
I like that song.
Ay, talaga kinakanta mo?
Yeah, kinakanta ko yan nung bata pa ako. My God. At ngayon, ikaw ang aking guest. Grabe.
Sino naman ka-duet mo? Duet yun eh.
Ako lang po eh. Kasi nagdo-duet-duet ako sa sarili ko eh. Iba-iba ko yung boses ko. Opo.
Nagdodoble kara ka?
Nagdodoble po ako. Pero hindi pa ako nagdodoble sa mga singing contest po. So, sa mga karaoke lang po.
So nagsisinging contests ka rin? Like amateur singing contests?
Yes po.
Sa province? Sa province?
Yes po.
Sa province,
pero,
you mean?
Yes po, sa province. But, nung matanda na po ako, matanda na.
Wow.
Sumali po ako sa sa tawag ng tanghalan sa ABS-CBN. And,
oh, wow!
Yeah, I didn't won, but it's okay because for me, it's a big break na to be part of the show and makita ko sa TV. So, doon po nag-start yung aking singing career as start on my singing career going to a recording artist. And then
exactly.
I did also on Tagisan ng Galing on Net25. So pumasok po ako sa top 30. Yung
oh wow, congratulations.
Yes po, pero hanggang doon lang po. But actually, I'm really grateful to be part of the show. And it's also my exposure na din, na makita ko sa lahat ng mga tao all over the world, ganon. So, I'm very happy.
Oo.
Even though I didn't get to the semi-finalists. So, yun po yung last na singing contest na sinalihan ko po, ma'am. And now, I'm very busy doing our show, Mizu Music and Ningas Pinas every Monday. So, DJ Chris is also one of my co-hosts. Yes. So, madami pa akong makasama mga bata. Ako lang po yata yung matanda doon.
So may iba ka pang may iba pa kayong shows?
Yes po, Ningas Pinas every Monday. So, madami pa akong makasamang mga bata na mga very talented naman talaga. May mga title na din. So, ako yung kanilang mga mama. Ako yung mama nila doon.
That's good. So ikaw na yung mentor nila.
Parang ako nang nagdadala ng lahat. My goodness. Ganun pala talaga, ma'am, no?
That's good. Ibig sabihin you're respected sa linya, sa industry, sa career mo, 'di ba?
Yes, ma'am. I do my best, ma'am. I do my very best to be at least, hindi naman perfect, but at least maybe in the middle of 70%.
Okay. Okay.
AJ Chris, you have a question to Miss Emma Castro? Hindi ka
Hindi
namin
talaga
rinig.
siya madinig, no?
Hindi ka rinig
Bakit
eh.
kaya?
Lakasan mo yung kanyang audio.
Very faint.
Yeah, very thin.
Bakit kaya? Baka nasa sa laptop. Sa
Kasi
volume.
kanina, ang laki naman ng boses niya kanina nung nag-soundcheck kami. Mag-headset ka na lang
baka may
kaya.
disconnection. Baka may
Press
disconnection lang.
Ito, press 1.
Ayun!
Yes, that's
there.
right. That's good.
Okay na?
Oh, that's good.
Okay,
Yes.
okay na. I-press kasi yung
That's
mic ko,
good.
tapos hindi nakikisabay. Hindi naki... So, may tanong po ako. Ako
Yes.
po ay bago lang po sa mga contest. Ano po mai-advise nyo po sa akin? Yung mga
Oh!
teenagers
So,
na
singer
po,
ka
na-
rin.
Opo. Nagsasali din po ako.
Wow, okay.
Actually po,
Actually-
nag-audition pa ako sa The Clash, sa GMA po. Natanggap po ako sa first screening. Yes po.
Okay,
Baka
so you
next
came all the way from
Congratulations.
Cebu. Congratulations.
Yes po.
Oh, wow. Well, ang masasabi ko lang is don't take for granted yung mga what you have now ngayon sa generation nyo kasi we didn't have social media platforms before. Wala kaming para i-promote ang sarili namin, no? Kailangan talagang sasadyain namin ang mga radio stations, mga malls para mag-show sa malls, sa mga provinces. Talagang pagod, alam niyo yun. Pero with what we have sa technology ngayon, napaka-lucky nyo kasi isang pindot lang kahit nasa bahay ka, you can make yourself be heard, no? You can be heard by more people. You can be heard by more people and don't take it for granted na ganun-ganun lang. You have to of course still paghirapan every time mag-stream ka siguro, be sure na talagang pinaghahandaan pa rin, di ba?
Yes po.
And also it's a good way to meet new connections, meet new friends, and then obviously supporters and followers kasi parang doon nakadepende na ngayon, no? Yung mga fans namin na supporters and fans na sumusunod sa amin sa malls, inaabangan kami sa TV guestings. Iba na sa inyo ngayon. Isang click lang, ifa-follow lang kayo, milyon na agad yung followers nyo. And you have to give importance to them, di ba? Kasi sila yung reason kaya kayo nakikilala kasi sila yung nag-share. Sinashare yung mga online performances nyo, di ba? So, don't take them for granted then. Same as the social media platforms that you have. Yun. And also, don't stop learning. Talagang like what I've said, paghahandaan mo yung mga performances mo kahit online lang yan, di ba?
Yes po, yes po. Thank you
Tama
po.
po yun.
Oo.
Always ready
Kita mo
ba yun, ma'am? Always ready.
Oo. Ito ikaw DJ Lay, 'di ba? Nakikita ko sa iyo na with experience na rin ikaw and older than DJ Chris. Na nakikita mo na talagang nagre-ready ka, pinahandaan mo yung labas mo today or every time ka lumabas or makita online. It has been, nagtumatak sa utak ko yung tinuro sa akin ni Tito Boy Abunda. He was my manager when I was starting. When I was 17 till, nung mag-Miss Saigon ako, nung bumalik ako, nasa kanya pa rin ako. laging sinasabi ni Tito Boy na to be able to sell your brand, or ikaw, sarili mo, brand mo yan, yung image mo, kailangan maayos, and you cannot leave the house na hindi maayos, no? Nito na lang ako recently nag-relax. At saka parang, kasi I know naman na it's okay. I didn't care. Dumating sa point na yon kasi napagdaanan ko na, no? So, pero every time na dumating ako sa isang event, or halimbawa ay maaga yung call time ko, you have to look the part. You have to look like the celebrity you are. So you have to look presentable kahit wala pa ka pa sa gown mo or sa costume mo na gagamitin for the event, for the performance. And also, ayun, to be able to sell at para mapresyohan mo yung sarili mo, you have to look like $1 million. Parang ganon. Parang ganon,
Wow.
no?
Na may naano
Oo.
ako may na-learn ako today.
Kasi yun yung natutunan ko kay Tito Boy, no? So every time sasabihin niya, before may PA ako, no? May PA na padala si Tito Boy sa akin. Kahit after ng isang show, halimbawa naisipan kong mag-mall kami, hindi ako pwede magpalit ng damit na basta na lang na pang mall. Nakapang ano pa rin ako, kahit naka-jeans, naka-heels pa rin ako. Alam mo yon? Kasi ire-report ako ng PA ko.
May mga basher.
I-report
may mga
ako kay...
basher.
Hindi naman. Yung PA ko kasi, siya yung mata ni Tito Boy, no?
Okay.
So sasabihin niya, anong suot ni Ima when she arrived dito sa hotel, o anong suot ni Ima, ganyan nung nag-mall kayo at nagpaayos ng buhok or whatever. So, naka-record lahat yon. So, ganun ka-importante ang role ng manager. Si Tito Boy, talagang he looked after me and his talents. Naging family kami sa kanya. And every time pagka may show ako, halimbawa at kailangan ko ng money, hindi na siya magka-cut ng commission niya. Talagang anak talaga ang turing sa amin, no? And also, minsan hindi na nga siya kukuha ng commission niya. Meron pang regalo, mga damit. Alam mo 'yon? Damit, shoes para
Sana all.
para sa show, para sa sarili, para sa career namin, to look good, 'di ba? So, talagang ang relationship namin wasn't just a talent and the manager, but he was my father. He was like a second father to me.
Yeah,
So, yun.
I really wish to meet Tito Boy.
Ha?
I really wish to meet Tito Boy. Magkapag-picture.
Busy Hindi, mukhang talagang hindi mahagilap yun lalo na sa pandemic.
Kasi I was in everywhere in my TV guesting. So I met some also celebrities like Pilita Corrales.
Tita Pilita. Oh, yes.
Yes.
She's
nakasama ko
amazing.
sila
Pag nakausap mo
Yeah.
yan, madami kang matututunan. Hindi siya
When I
madamot.
was performing, when I was performing, she was there also, and Annabelle Rama. And I was really totally nervous because they are in front of me while I was performing. I was like, oh my God, my idol is there, and Annabelle Rama. Oh my God, I was like, okay, I have to guess. So after that, Ma'am Pilita Corrales was advising me of something. So I've learned from it. So I'm very thankful.
Oo, kasi yan ang maganda sa mga older generation, no? Si Tita Pilita talagang hindi madamot magbigay ng pointers, ng advice. Alam mo yun? Kasi, oh my goodness, siya? Nasa 7 decades na siya sa industry.
Yes,
And
ang galing.
she's still amazing. She's still amazing as
Right.
ever, no? Ganun din si Tita Dulce, hindi yan papatalo, no? Kaya naman natutuwa ako kasi every time, kahit nung kami pag magkakasama kami sa isang TV guesting, sa isang production number, for example, sa ASAP Versus, yung segment na yon talagang kami, parang magkaaway na naglalaban talaga, pagaling.
Nakita ko nga po. Nakita
Talaga?
ko po. Grabe,
Pagalingan.
pagalingan kayo.
Pero actually, wala backstage talagang sasabihin pa ni Tita Dulce, Neng ha, don't hold back ha, push, go ka lang. So talagang suportahan kami. Sabi ko, Tita, sige, go. Ano tayo, we will give our all para sumaya naman ang mga manonood.
Yes,
Akala nila magkaaway kami. Pero yan sila talagang love na love ko yung mga yan at ganun din sila sa akin. They love me so much.
Kaya nga ako, ma'am, pag nagpe-perform ako, I really do give my all. Like, even sometimes it's too much, but I really want to give my all to all the audience.
That's a good mentality. That's another thing, DJ Chris, since you asked, no? Every performance that you do, kahit pa sa palengke lang yan o sa sabungan, alam mo yon, you accepted it. You accepted this gig. So you have to give your 100%. Kahit pa walang bayad or may bayad, kahit maliit bayad or mas malaki ang bayad, it should be the same. Kasi you owe the people a good performance.
Yes.
At yun din naman ang natutunan ko. Yun din naman ang natutunan ko, lalong-lalo na sa pag-perform ko sa Miss Saigon for 4 years. Gabi-gabi yan, nagpa-perform ako. Kahit minsan parang pagod na ako. Parang, kung pwede lang, na wag na lang gawin yung show. Pero, you can't. You can't. Ha?
Nakaka-relate ako sa'yo.
Diba? Pero you can't. And also, you cannot do it half-baked. You cannot do it half-hearted. Kasi yung mga tao nagbabayad para to see you, no? To get to see a very good performance. So you have to always give your 100%. And para sa sarili mo na ring satisfaction yon mo na sa sarili mo na you gave your all.
Yes po. Yeah. Yes po. Tama po talaga yun.
Exactly.
Yan.
Tama.
So, DJ Chris, you know it. You know na. So, we're very thankful sa advice niyo po, ma'am.
Noted ako, nasulat ko na.
Nasulat mo na. Yes, good.
Nasulat ko na. Note ako dito.
Alright, so we are very, very excited to hear your performance, ma'am. So,
okay.
Can we hear it?
Ano ba? Meron ba kayong request?
Yung po, yung do it sana, pero favorite ko yun. Pero kayo po.
Okay. I will sing a song from The Greatest Showman.
Wow, I love that.
Never enough?
Hindi, itong
Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Saigon in the Philippines.
This is me. I'm not a stranger to the dark. Hide away, they say, because we don't want your broken hearts. I've learned to be ashamed of all my scars. Run away, they say, no one will love you as you are. But I won't let them break me down. I know that there's a place for we are glorious. When the promised words wanna cut me down, I'm gonna send a word, wanna drown them out. I am brave, I am bruised, I am who I'm meant to be. This is me. Look out, it's here I